Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. Mitchell Bouchard. I'm the king. I'm the one. I'm the chosen. Right? I'm Neo in the Matrix. If the Matrix were about cryptos and NFTs, because I bring you the big picks. I'm bringing you the big news. This is your learning crypto and NFT database. That's all I gotta say. What we're gonna talk about now is Polygon Matic in their outrageous partnerships. Let's get into it. So right now the market cap 835, and that is billion, not million, freaking million, or billion, freaking billion. It's ridiculous. All right, so let's get into what this episode is about. For those of you that don't know, Polygon Matic, it is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, but effectively what they're doing is they are partnering with the world. That's what it seems like they're doing. So that's what I want to talk about. Polygon Technology, their top 10 partnerships depicting the rise of layer 2 Ethereum scaling solution. So again, for those of you that don't know, Ethereum is an all-purpose based smart contract blockchain. So you can build on top of it. You can build things like NFTs and utilize the infrastructure that Ethereum has using their token ETH. Now, the problem with that, especially with Ethereum, is that transactions are somewhat slow and they can be expensive. They have moved to proof of stake, so it gets better. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. The goal of this video, the purpose, is to shed some light on these amazing Polygon Matic partnerships. Now, I've been bullish on Matic for a while now, specifically because they are somewhat cheap. I think they're undervalued. So a lot of people are going to be building and using Matic to mint and do different NFT things. If we look at the price, they're 84 cents right now. And if you look at the year to date, we're down a lot. So it's 214 and we're down. So I think this is going to be one of those NFT projects. They're doing quite a bit, but one of those projects that they're going to just go nuts. So if we take a look at this article, what's astounding is their partnerships with these brands. Like, my goodness, look at that. Draftkings, okay? NFT marketplace for Draftkings. Nothing, I don't know what nothing is. Sorry. Stripe, payment processing, right? Their Web3 payment transaction. Reddit, their NFT marketplace for virtual avatars. The Walt Disney Company, freaking Disney, their NFT marketplace, AI, VR, AR development. Adidas, NFT marketplace. Guys, Adidas, NFT marketplace. So long, Kanye. The NFL, NFT marketplace. Starbucks, everybody's got Starbucks. I don't have Starbucks, but I like Starbucks. I like the pumpkin spice. Just gonna let y'all know. NFT marketplace. Guys, like, we're not even done here. And I'm feeling richer. I gotta put this on. This is... Woo! Look at that. Adobe! Guys, Adobe Suite. Come on, they're profiting off of every creator, including me. Meta! NFT marketplace. You're going to put on those VR goggles. It's going to be better in reality because houses are through the roof. Guys, like, look at partnerships. When you're looking into a crypto project, you got to look at partnerships, right? Like, I must say, Cardano doesn't even have that, and I love Cardano. So when you think about crypto as well, like, you want to do some research. You want to look into these things. Ridiculous. So Draftkings, we'll just go through this again briefly. Draftkings is a popular fantasy sports company based in the US. They offer services like casinos, betting. Effectively, Draftkings, people get into like gambling addictions, I must say. But really that's a big partnership. Draftkings allow you to place your bets in sports. And I could see their partnership really working out. So for their NFTs, maybe Polygon, they're going to be able to mint those for them and figure that out. So again, Polygon Technology has partnered with the leading fantasy sports company to build blockchain-powered NFT marketplace. for the US-based sports company, right? So when they get into NFTs, when all these brands are getting into NFTs, you're going to want to be hodling some Polygon. Adobe, of course, Adobe does so much. They have all the, they have the Adobe suite for Premiere. So I'm a video creator. They have, the Lightrooms, the Photoshops. You need to get a subscription to Adobe, and the NFT artists, creators. It's all going to collaborate. Starbucks, right? They'll have their NFT based loyalty program. So just think about that. So name Starbucks Odyssey. So that's going to be interesting. But all these major brands, they're going to want to partner with Matic, right? This is happening. This is happening. Meta. We'll even skip Disney. Like, I'm skipping Disney. It was just a freaking monster brand, right? All right, I'll do Disney. Disney launched its accelerated program to promote research and development on NFTs, AR, and AI development. Polygon has collaborated to join forces and assist Disney with the program. Of course. It's insane. We all know what Meta is doing, known as Facebook. But think about it. Facebook, Instagram, all these top brands, they own social medias. They're going to want to get into the NFT space. Why not partner with Matic, Stripe, so on? This is going to be insane. And Matic is so cheap right now, from my perspective. It's just on the way up. I mean, whatever. You shouldn't read those news, but I'm a proud owner of Matic. Not only that, but you can also stake and earn rewards. And it's all I wanted to cover, okay? Just wanted to go over their partnerships, some of the top brands. And remember, get a hardware wallet, because if it ain't your keys, it ain't your damn cheese.